Let's talk about where end-of-line resistors are used. Not every circuit needs an EOL, but the ones that do depend on it. Know which circuits need supervision and which don't. Not every fire alarm circuit uses an EOL. The key question is, how is the circuit supervised? Resistance-based, EOL-required. Communication-based, no EOL. Fire alarm systems supervise circuits in two primary ways. Electrical, resistance-based, uses EOL resistor to monitor wiring. Digital, communication-based, devices communicate with the panel. No EOL resistor is required. Circuits that do not use EOLs. SLC, or signaling line circuit, is the addressable loop. Devices communicate with the panel. Supervision is digital. No EOL resistor required. Not every wire needs a resistor. Only resistance supervised circuits do. Know the circuit before you assume. Why the SLC doesn't need an EOL. The panel supervises device presence, communication integrity, address responses. Open or short conditions are detected by loss of communication, not resistance. No EOL resistor is used. Circuits that do use EOLs. EOL resistors are used on circuits supervised by resistance. IDC, initiating device circuits. NAC, notification appliance circuits. Module-generated conventional circuits. IDC circuits are conventional initiating circuits. Examples: pull stations, water flow switches, tamper switches, conventional smoke detectors. These circuits require an EOL resistor. NAC circuits are notification appliance circuits. Examples: horns, strobes, speaker circuits. These circuits are supervised for integrity. EOL resistor is required. Addressable system reality. Even in an addressable system, not everything is SLC. Modules create conventional circuits inside the system. Monitor modules. A monitor module creates an IDC type circuit used for pull stations, water flow, tamper switches, or any dry contact input. This circuit requires an EOL resistor. Control modules. A control module can create a supervised output, like a NAC, and uses an EOL. Or it can be a relay output, a dry contact, for fan shutdowns and such. No EOL required. Always verify the module function. Addressable system is not equal to no EOL. SLC doesn't use it. Modules absolutely do. SLC loop, no EOL. Conventional style circuit, yes, on the EOL. Verify the circuit type, don't assume. Why this matters. If you don't understand where the EOL belongs, you install them wrong. You troubleshoot wrong. You miss the real faults. The system may look normal, but not be properly supervised. Don't assume the system. Identify the circuit. SLC is not the whole system. Modules change the rules. EOL resistors are used when supervision is by resistance. They are not used when supervision is by communication. An EOL in the wrong place can still look normal. At the panel, wiring is not supervised. Mid-circuit, devices beyond it are not supervised. The panel is not a meter. It only sees what you let it see. Know the circuit type before you touch the resistor. SLC, digital. IDC, NAC, resistance.